I hope it came out well. All right. Hey lovelies, welcome back to Love Janelle. If you're new to my channel, my name is Janelle and welcome. Today I'm going to be attempting an at-home silk press. I noticed in the last video that my ends were looking a little tattered, so I'm going to clean it up a little and hopefully this press comes out really well. I've already put everything in my hair. I didn't really mean to do it like that, but I just washed my hair this morning, so I just put them in so I can make the video now. I use these are the Silk Element Mega Silk Olive shampoo and conditioner. These products make my hair feel so good, so clean. So this made my hair feel really clean, almost squeaky clean. My scalp felt clean and refreshed. So I really do like this shampoo. The conditioner made my hair feel really soft, like butter. My hair was previously in a twist out and a little bit knotty, and I was able to put this on and glide my fingers through my hair with no problem. It was really soft. When my hair was still damp, I used the Olive Heat Protectant with spray with silk. So it's just a spray nozzle and sprayed around my whole head. I also used the Olive Glossing Polish. There. I put all the products in and I brushed it through with my brush. It was actually very easy to detangle. Right now my hair feels really soft, like very soft. So I'm actually quite excited to see how it's going to turn out. So I put it in two, and right now it is damp, not fully dry, and I don't really like drying my hair from a wet state anyway. So I'm going to be drying my hair. I don't have any special blow dryers. It's just this basic blow dryer. I think I got it from Walmart or something, and I'm going to be using the comb attachment. These are the attachments that come with it. I'm going to be using this medium-sized one. It also has a brush and a fine-tooth comb. The goal is to get it as straight as possible with the blow dryer, so I don't have to pass through too many times with the flat iron. I don't have a fancy flat iron either. I'm just using what I have, but I'm hoping the products make a difference to this silk press. I'm going to start it off on the medium heat, and then for the last few passes I'm going to go on high. Because it's already damp, I won't have to blow dry for too long, which I am happy about. Oh, it feels so soft. Yeah, I won't have to dry it for too long, and I hate blow drying my hair. So here we go. Okay, it still feels soft, but I think I might put a little more product on this section because better safe than sorry. Alright, so my hair it's blow dried as much as it's going to be blow dried right now because it's making me sweat, and I feel like it's reverting my hair the more I sweat. So this is where we are right now. My ends really do need trimming. Right now only up here feels soft. I'm not sure if I used too much of the product or too little, but I didn't want my hair completely fried, so I was quite generous with the product. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have to go back and look at the before picture. But I think it stripped the color out of my hair too, because I do know it was a lot brighter than this. I'm going to be using this flat iron. It's nothing special about it. It's just a regular Remington flat iron. It goes up to 410 degrees. I'm going to be ironing my hair at 400. I'm going to be doing a chasing method with this tool right here. I'm not sure if I've even used this. Have I? I bought it a long time ago. I don't remember if I've used this before. I don't flat iron my hair very often, so I don't remember. I don't think I have. But anyway, I'm going to be using this tool just to chase. The ends are trash. I anyway. Alright, I'm going to touch the roots with this first. Now the tool, hopefully one pass is enough. Oh, that feels soft. That feels really soft. Just the ends feel a bit messed up, but this feels really good. The flat iron is on 390, by the way. It feels nice and silky up until the ends. I haven't trimmed my hair for a while, so it's overdue. It has lots of flow. Leave this on for a few hours. I'm not going under the dryer, and then I will be back to show you the end results. Alright, so now it's 2 hours later and I'm ready to take this off. I have to go on the road real quick I hope it came out well. All right. Nothing happened. Okay. Still pretty tight. All right. I love this color. The colors are very muted, but it's still, I like this stage that it's in right now. So my hair has a lot of body and flow to it. It's really soft. I'll trim again in the next few weeks or so, but yeah, I'm not gonna take anything else off right now. But I'm loving the silk press. It actually does feel soft like silk. It's not as shiny as I expected it to be, but it's nice. I bumped it a bit too much on this side, but as it drops it will look nice, I'm guessing. Yes, I love this. Alright, so that's it for today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, lovelies. Look at my hair.
Can I go walk her?
Yeah, you can, but look at my hair.
Hey, I see
Hey.
it.
Hey. Alright, I'm coming in a minute.